Stacy here with Bluebird Paper and Thread. Thank you for joining me today. Today is Father's Day, Sunday, June 16th, and this week I got my Fat Quarter Shop mystery box, quilt box in, Liberty box. I know it got a little smushed, but it's here. My finishing kit came as well, so it's here. No backing fabric. I thought the finishing kit would include backing fabric, so I think I'm going to need to go online and order some backing fabric. So because I would like to have this complete, like, all matching fabric, so that when I do work on this project, it looks okay. It all coordinates well. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to jump in. If you are new to my channel, this channel is on my hobbies. A little bit of, mostly cross-stitching, a little bit of sewing, a little bit of quilting eventually. This is actually the first quilty thing I've purchased. So a little bit of quilting, card making, paper crafting, treat boxes, gift tags, that kind of a thing. If you like what you see, I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. If you're returning, welcome back. This is a little bit of a different video because it is a unboxing. If you have not received your Liberty box yet, spoiler alert, and I will give you a moment to log off. If you want to be surprised, don't watch this video. If you can't stand it and you have to know what's in the box, continue on. Okay. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? And they give you a hashtag. Also comes with a code for free shipping on an order of $30 or more. Ooh, that might work really well for the backing fabric. You get a little pamphlet in here that kind of tells you everything that is in the kit. So you know what you've got in your box. And then let's just kind of see what we've got. We have limited edition 2024 Liberty box, specifically designed for the Liberty box. Triangles on a roll. Half square triangles, 3-inch finished. Half square triangles. So I think, I'm not sure, I've never quilted with something like this before, but I have seen videos and I'm intrigued, because if this helps someone make really nice triangles and points, I'm all for it. So I'm excited to try that. Next we got a little gadget. Now this gadget is called the True Blue Ruler Handle. And what's nice about it is this is suction cup, and when you pop, you see how it suctions to your ruler so that you can hang on to it better when you're cutting. So I'm very excited to try this because my ruler often moves on me. So we got that. And then we got this Star Spangled, what is it called? A 3-star fabric holder. Very cute, to go with a bonus chart, a bonus pattern, to make this little piece to hang on this. So that's exciting. We got a Star Spangled kitchen towel. Sorry about the crinkle. Ooh. it's a fat quarter exclusive. It almost feels like it is like a microfiber type. Waffle weave microfiber. Ooh, it's giant. Look at how cute that is. Oh, I love it. It is nice and thick and heavy duty. Printed on both sides. That's not going back in the box. And then you've got your fabric for your quilt, and your quilt is this. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the instructions on how to make the quilt. And this is the fabric for it. I guess I'm just going to open it this way. These fabrics are Old Glory by Lella Boutique Moda. So you have this large print, real pretty. This smaller print. Kind of a stripe. It's stripe, but kind of grungy. And then a light blue geometric. And then a light blue star. And then your main panel. Oh, it's big. It's big. This is going to be a great lap quilt. You know, I love the air on in the summer, but sometimes in the evening it gets a little chilly. This will be perfect for summer, like to just lay under. So that's it. Let's look at that pattern again. It's pinwheels and stripes, so stars and stripes bordering the main panel. And then the finishing kit is you've got this fabric for the stripes on the above and below the panel. This is just a plain white, I'm gonna guess probably a Kona cotton would be my guess. White. And then this is the binding. So I think what I would like to do is probably order maybe more of this print for the back. Or perhaps this, or if they have this with a blue background, maybe I would do that. I have to go check. I have to check. But that's it. That is the Liberty Box. I'm glad that I got it. I'm really excited to try my hand at both of these quilt patterns. I'm actually thinking this little star quilt, it might be fun, although it looks like this one's stitched in the ditch, but I wonder if I could practice on this, my meandering quilt stitch. I wonder if that would make a difference. I don't think it will. And I'm guessing you have enough fabric here to make this when you're done. So, love it. That is it for this sneak peek reveal. If you have any questions, I'm not a big quilter yet, so I don't know that I can answer that. but I certainly will do my best to point you in the right direction. Did anybody else get this box, and what were your thoughts? I'm very excited for it. I can't wait to get started. Maybe I'll get to it on the 4th of July weekend as well. We'll see. How fun would that be? Anyways, that's it. If you liked what you see, please take a moment, like the video, subscribe to the video, ring that notification bell, share the video, comment on the video. All of it helps to move the channel forward. And I thank you in advance. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk soon.